pinakataas ng tulay. Dito may sila dito, parang yun bang mga Holocaust noon. Yan diba, napakaganda dito. Yung sa Holocaust, sa memorial, may yung parang dumaong yung barko noon na isa dito noon. Ito. Kaya naglagay sila dito ng parang ganito. Yan yung barko nang dumaong dito noon. Yan Babasahin nyo. Exodus 1947, which symbolizes the superiority of the Zionist spirit over the British government, sailed from the port of Sète in France on July 11, 1947, when arriving in Haifa. 4,554 refugees, including Holocaust survivors from Europe, young Zionists from North Africa, messengers from Israel, and crew members from the United States were forced onto 3 British deportation ships, which sailed to France and from there to Germany. In Germany, they were taken off and transported to displaced persons camps, where they stayed a few months until they finally arrived in Israel. Yan kayo dito. Dito dati nandyan yung as in, hindi ko alam kung yung ship na sinakyan nila is asaan na, pero dito na mismo dumaong yung isang barko. Yan pagkaganda ng place dito. Tignan niyo. Magmuni-muni ka dito, napakaganda. Kahit na magsisigaw ka dito, walang pakialam yung mga tao sa'yo. Mga barko doon. Yung si Haring Araw sumikat na diba? Dito yan, napakaganda, diba? Sabihin nyo sa akin na dito kahit na may bomba dito, napakasarap mabuhay dito sa Israel. Diba?